Now you're wondering, son of a monkey, how did he manage to appear twice in the same scene?
So you're sitting at your desk, you open up your laptop and start waiting. Waiting for what? Well, waiting for Windows to boot itself. By the way, this is me, Johnny. Then you start wondering if you should buy a new one. Especially when you're impatient and its booting time goes up to 1 minute.
Being very sluggish. Now you're wondering, son of a monkey, how did he manage to appear twice in the same scene? But that's not important. Just remember that you shouldn't throw things away, but rather improve them, just like with relationships. Hey, don't forget to subscribe!
My dear laptop with sausage-like speed seems to have M.2 SSD slots. So, after checking the RAM memory specs from Task Manager, I went on buying stuff to upgrade it. A 500 gigs SSD and 8 gigs of RAM. Grand total of under 100 bucks, and I kind of struggled a bit.
This is how you make your laptop 5 times faster, with less than $90, and in a relatively short time.
Your next step is to put Windows on a flash drive stick, access BIOS like a cool hacker, and change the primary booting on the USB stick. After that, you will just have to install the new Windows on your freshly upgraded laptop.
Okay, so this is the last test. Let's see if my hard work yielded results and if the laptop is now booting properly. So, let's give it a start and another start. .47 seconds. It worked. It worked!